everyone, thank you for watching our videos. Hope it is helpful for your studies. So now in this video I am explaining how to transfer the given sentence into passive voice or from passive voice to active voice. So in this video I'll be explaining how to convert the sentence to passive voice. In the previous video I have explained constructing the parse tree, which is in the form of active voice only. So that is this: the police will catch the snatcher. This is the active voice sentence. And now how to convert this sentence to passive voice? So the transformational construction. So the same example I have taken, the police will catch the snatcher. This is active voice sentence, and the rule that we are using to transform this active voice sentence to the passive voice sentence is this. And this rule also I have explained in the introduction part, that is the transformational grammar introduction part. You can watch that video so that you can clearly understand the rules. Okay, so the rule is this: NP1, auxiliary verb and NP2. This is the rule in which this police will catch the snatcher is following. See, NP1 is nothing but the police, auxiliary verb is will, and catch is the verb, and NP2 is the snatcher. So this the first sentence, that is the first rule, is this: NP1 auxiliary verb and the main verb NP2. The sentence the police will catch the snatcher is following this rule. So how to convert this means using this rule, that is NP2. Here the NP1 is shift to the first position. This is NP1, and auxiliary verb remains the same. So be and en will be added, because to change the tenses. So depending on the context and depending on the situation, we'll be changing the tenses. So that is why we are adding the words be and en, and the verb. So we'll be adding one more word, that is by, and followed by NP1. This is NP1. Okay, this is NP1. So this is the rule that we are following to transfer the grammar. The police will catch the snatcher. So let's construct the tree. So before going to construct the tree, again we have to derive rules for this example. So the rules are the same rules, that is S gives rise to NP plus VP, NP gives rise to determiner and noun, verb phrase is verb plus noun phrase, verb is nothing but auxiliary verb and verb, determiners are A and the verb is nothing but catch. In this sentence the verb is catch, and noun is police and snatcher. In this sentence we'll be having only the two nouns, that is police and snatcher. So I have written the same thing. And auxiliary verbs is will, only one auxiliary verb, that is will. I have taken the same. So these are the rules that you have to write before going to transform the grammar from active voice to the passive voice. So here you have to write the same rules. So I'm skipping that rules. If you want to write the rules, you can go back to the previous video. There I have explained how to write the rules, so you can watch that. And also I'll be attaching the link in the description box. You can directly access through that link. So now constructing the transformation. First we will be having a sentence. So before going to take the sentence, first we have to transfer the grammar, right? So using this rule we have to transfer the grammars. So see here, the police. What is this? The police is, it is NP1. So will is nothing but it's a auxiliary verb. Okay, this is the auxiliary verb, will. And catch, what is the next word we are having? Verb. So the catch is nothing but it's a verb now. Then NP2, so the snatcher will be NP2. So we are assigned with the what's that rules for the sentence. Now we have to convert this to this. That is why I have mentioned here transformed. So the same thing I'll be writing here. What is NP2? NP2 is here the snatcher. So using that rules I'll be rearranging the sentence. The snatcher. Okay, the snatcher. See, then followed by what? Auxiliary verb. So what's the auxiliary verb here? It's will. Use the snatcher will. Now be plus en. So how to write the things as it is only. Be plus en. Have taken the same thing. And verb. What is the verb in the sentence? The police will catch the snatcher. Verb is nothing but it's a catch. Catch. So I have taken the same thing. And by, this is the word. I have to rewrite it as it is only. And NP1. What is NP1 in the first sentence? That is the police will catch the snatcher. It's the police. So write the police. Now after applying the rules, that is converting this active voice to the passive voice, that is applying rearranging the things. NP2 here in the active sentence, it is in the last position, so taking it into the first position. What is NP2 in the sentence? It is the snatcher. So, and yeah, by applying all these rules will be obtained with the sentence, that is the snatcher will be en catch by the police. Okay, this is the sentence we are obtained after applying the rules. Now this be and en, as I said, it is going to represent the tense, whether it is a past tense or present tense, depending on the context or depending on the situation, we are going to alter the sentence. Okay, so here n catch, it is it can be read as a n catch. This is converted into catchen. Okay, it is get converted to catchen, but we don't have the word catchen. Okay, now the morphophonemic rules, as I have discussed in the components of transformational grammar, the last component is the morphophonemic rule. So the morphophonemic rule is going to convert this catchen to caught. Okay, catchen to caught. This is how the rules is going to convert the sentence into different tenses. Now the sentence is the snatcher will be, this n catch is converted to catchen, and again this catchen is converted to caught by one of the morphophonemic rule. Now the final sentence will be, so the final sentence will be the snatcher will be caught. After applying all the morphophonemic rules, the encatchen is converted to caught. See, it is converted to caught by the police. So this is the passive sentence that we are obtained with. So see, all other words are remain same, only this catch, en and b. This is by applying the morphophonemic rules, it converted to caught. This is the final statement we are obtained, and this final sentence is in passive voice format. It's a passive voice. And the previous example I have taken, that is the police will catch the snatcher, that is the passive sentence. Okay, this is the this is in passive voice, and we have to construct the tree for this passive voice sentence, that is the snatcher will be caught by the police. We have to construct the parse tree again for this transformational grammar. So how to construct the parse tree now? So before constructing the parse tree, the first thing is, as I mentioned in the previous video, we have to generate the rules for this sentence. Okay, so let's generate the rules. The rules are as follows, like this. So we will be having the sentence. Sentence is made up of noun phrase and verb phrase, and noun phrase is nothing but it is determiner and noun. Again, verb phrase is nothing but verb and noun phrase, and verb is auxiliary verb, and the verb, that is the main verb, and determiners are a, an, and the. These are all the determiners, and verb is, in this example particularly, it is catch. See, it is catch, that is caught. The caught word is nothing but it is catch. So noun, what are all the nouns that we are having in the sentence? Look into the sentence. Snatcher and the police, these are all the nouns. So the first noun in the passive sentence, that is in the second sentence, is it is snatcher. Snatcher, and the second noun is police. And auxiliary verbs, what are all the auxiliary words that we are having? Look into the sentence. Auxiliary verbs that we are having in the sentences are will, this is the auxiliary verb, and also by, this is also the auxiliary verb. So will, by, these are all the auxiliary words. So yes, we have constructed the rule for the given sentence, that is passive voice sentence. Please make a note of these rules. By keeping these rules only, we'll be constructing the parse structure, okay, the transformational structure. So now let's move on to the structure constructions. First, we will be having the sentence, right? What exactly the sentence is made up of? Noun phrase and verb phrase. That is noun phrase and verb phrase. So what is noun phrase? Noun phrase is determiner and noun. Determiner and noun. Okay. And what exactly the verb phrase is? Verb phrase is nothing but verb and noun phrase. Verb and noun phrase. Again, what is the determiner that we are having in the example? It is the. So check whether the is included in determiner or not. See, in determiner we'll be having the. So we'll be having the. So write the in place of determiner. And noun, what is the noun that we are having in the sentence? This is the noun, the first noun. So the is over, I'll be dropping the and the noun is snatcher. So I'll be writing snatcher here. Snatcher. And verb, coming to the verb, verb is made up of auxiliary verb and the main verb. So I'll take as it is auxiliary verb and the main verb. Okay, so what are the auxiliary verbs that we are having? Will and by. So look into the example. This is the example. So snatcher is over, you can drop the snatcher, and snatcher is followed by what? Will. What is this will indicates? Will is nothing but auxiliary verb. So you can write will in the place of auxiliary verb. Will. Again, be. What is this be? It is also an auxiliary verb. So I'll be taking this be in the place of auxiliary verb. You can also include be here in the rule section also, because be is also a auxiliary verb. Again, I have done with be, and will is also done. Caught. What exactly this caught? It's a verb. Look into the rule section. Do we have caught? Yes, we have catch. Catch, caught. It's just a tense difference, that's all. So catch will be having in the place of verb. So you can write caught. Caught. Then caught is over. You can scratch this also. Then by. Caught is followed by by. So what exactly the noun is made up of? Noun is made up of determiner and noun. Noun phrase is made up of determiner and followed by noun. Caught, and this by is also included in the verb itself. Okay, caught, by is included in this verb itself. Again, noun phrase. This by is over. In the noun phrase is made up of what? Noun phrase is made up of determiner and noun, right? What is the next determiner that we are having in the example is the snatcher. We are remained with the and police. So this the is nothing but determiner. So carry the in the place of determiner. So determiner is nothing but the, and we are remained with noun. So what is the next word? Police. Look into the rule. Is this police is a noun? Yes, police is a noun. So write police in the place of noun. Do we have any words? Okay, police is over. Do we have any words remained in the sentence? No, we have included all the words. So now compare the snatcher. These are all the terminals. You just cross check with the terminals. Is this equal to the actual sentence that we are having? If it is equal, the tree that we have constructed is correct. So cross check this. We will be having the snatcher will be caught by police. So compare with the sentence. The snatcher will be caught by the police. Look into the terminal. The snatcher will be caught by the police. The same thing that we are having in the sentence. This is how we are transforming the tree, or transforming from one form to another form, or from active voice to passive voice, and vice versa. If you are having the passive voice, apply the rule, that is apply this rule, that is NP2. You have to, if you want to convert from passive voice to active voice, means you have to go back like this, from this form to this form. Okay, so using these rules, you have to first change the sentence to passive voice, and then you have to change be and en to the in which context the sentence is. By looking into this, you have to change the sentence by using morphophonemic rules. And also finally you will be obtaining one sentence, that is the final sentence, which is get converted from one form to another form. So finally you have to apply the rules for this final sentence. So I have constructed the rules here. See, I have constructed the rules, and finally I have constructed the tree using these rules. So finally the terminal I have obtained is the snatcher will be caught by police. This is what the sentence is. The snatcher will be caught by the police. Thank you for watching the videos, and I'll be uploading some more videos which are useful for your examinations. Keep watching the videos. Thank you.